How to sync OneDrive shared folder locally. So if you want to sync OneDrive shared folder locally, then what you need to do is, let's dive in. First thing first, make sure that you've logged into your Microsoft account. This is an essential step because OneDrive is tightly integrated with Microsoft services, and you'll need to have your credentials handy to access the folders that shared with you. Once you're logged in, you'll see a grid icon, which will be on the top left. From the grid icon, you need to just go and select OneDrive, which will be on the upper left corner of your screen. This will take you directly to your OneDrive homepage where you can manage your files and folders. Now, upon entering your OneDrive, direct your attention to the left-hand side of the screen and click on the Shared tab. This section contains all the folders and files that other people have shared with you. Remember that you can only sync shared folders that you've received permission to access, so check if you've got the necessary rights. Next up, you'll browse through the list of shared items to find the specific folder you want to sync locally. Once you locate it, you need to click on the folder or open the folder. Make sure that it contains everything that you need to access offline, as syncing will make these items available on your local device. Now, after opening the folder, look for the option that says Add Shortcut. Click on it and it will instantly create a shortcut in your main OneDrive area for easy access in the future. This also sets the stage for syncing the folder to your device. To confirm that the shared folder is now part of your OneDrive, head back to My Files and you will notice that the folder is listed there. Thanks to the shortcut we've just created, this indicates that the system is ready to sync the contents to your local device. But we are not quite done yet. You'll want to confirm that your folder is indeed syncing by going to your File Explorer on your computer. So go with your File Explorer, navigate to the OneDrive folder. There you should see the newly added shared folder list. And if everything is set up correctly, you'll notice a small green check mark beside it. This green check mark indicates that the folder has been successfully synced and is available for offline access. Remember, you can always manage which folders sync by adjusting your OneDrive settings, giving you the flexibility to control which files take up space on your local drive. And there you have it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.